In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formulas in Smartsheet. To get started, open the Smartsheet sheet where you want to work with formulas. Make sure you're in the correct sheet before you begin, especially if you manage multiple projects or trackers, because formulas will only reference the data in the sheet you're actively editing. Once the sheet is open, take a quick look at your columns and rows so you know exactly where your calculation should go and which data you want to use. Next, click the cell where you want the result to appear. This is important because the formula will return its answer in the cell you select. For example, you might want to calculate a total, check a condition, combine text, or count matching values. Choosing the right destination cell first helps keep your sheet organized and makes the formula easier to review later. After that, type an equal sign to begin the formula. In Smartsheet, just like in many spreadsheet tools, every formula starts with an equals sign. This tells Smartsheet that you're entering a calculation rather than regular text. As soon as you type it, you're ready to build your formula. Now choose the formula you want to use. Depending on your goal, you might use IF to test a condition, SOM to add numbers, COUNTEF to count cells that meet specific criteria, join to combine values into one string of text, or network days to calculate working days between dates. The formula you choose should match the outcome you need, so it helps to pause for a moment and think about what you want the sheet to do. Once you've chosen the formula, select the cells or columns that the formula should use. This is where you tell Smartsheet which data to include in the calculation. Be careful to select the correct references because even a small mistake here can change the result. If you're working with columns instead of individual cells, that can make your formulas more consistent and easier to copy across multiple rows. When everything looks right, press enter to apply the formula. Smartsheet will process it immediately and display the result in the cell you selected. If the formula is written correctly, you should see the expected output right away. Finally, check the result to make sure it matches what you intended. If needed, copy the formula to other rows so you can repeat the same calculation across your sheet without rebuilding it each time. This is a great way to save time and keep your data accurate and consistent. That's how to start using formulas in Smartsheet clearly and efficiently.